Hi my dear students, welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. How are you all doing? आज हम चर्चा करने वाले aromatic hydrocarbons. In the series of NEET chemistry lessons, we completed so far general organic chemistry, hydrocarbons, the most important reactions of alkane, alkene, alkyne. We completed. Along with that, some questions also we did it. So stay tuned for this kind of awesome sessions from our end. We are giving you the NEET coaching for the NEET aspirants. So today's topic is going to be super benefit for those who are in the 11th standard, those who are in the NEET droppers, and those who wanted to go with 11th and 12th together. And it is going to be very important, and we will discuss aromatic hydrocarbon. Before going for that, I just want to give you two promotional sites from our side. So stay tuned. One is score examination. What is this score examination? So India में सबसे बड़ा scholarship examination है. So why this is called as India's largest scholarship examination? Because Sri Chaitanya Academy and Infinity Learn are the unicorns and the best in the education industry and the K-12 education system. And we are in a search of bright minds like you. So for that we conduct this examination, and this examination any student can write from grade 3 to grade 11, and according to your standard, according to your class, the examination will be conducted as that way. And you know what you are going to get it and why we are doing this. We want to bring a great and bright mind like you, and we want to reward them by using like this. You see, 2.5 crore worth of cash rewards, direct cash, those who are deserve to get it, and also 350 crore rupees of scholarships that are available, and depending upon the courses you opt, and you may get a chance to get 100% scholarship. And also awesome gadgets like tablets and laptops will be given to you. And one more important thing, have you ever dreamed to go to NASA, United States of America, to explore the space research? Yes, we are going to take to you NASA for those deserved students. It will be honors. And while in the description box, the link is available. You all click it and you enroll yourself. And this examination is conducted online as well as offline. So you want to do offline, you go to nearest Sri Chaitanya Academy and enroll yourself there. And this examination is conducted twice. One examination September 28th, another examination is October 12th. Registrations are open. Don't miss this opportunity. For 28th September, registrations open till 26th September. For October 12th examination, registrations open till October 10th. So while you just explore it and get as many as goodies, and you will be having an opportunity to find your position at the topest in the competition world. And in this competition world, success is not possible without hard work. So आप जो hard work करना चाहते हो सही तरफ करना है, and we from Infinity Learn but Sri Chaitanya Academy helping you for the best. Those who are online, please like the session once, and this score promotion is over. One more promotion before going into the aromatic hydrocarbons. Awesome slides, I made it. And this is NEET test series. You are doing so hard work to enter into the dream medical college, bacho. So you ask your seniors or the toppers, those who, how they did it. Abdul, hello, assalamu alaikum. Very good. And what makes the difference between a topper and you? The topper, when they prepare, they always check how they are doing. So what I want to say, if you want to prepare for any competitive examination, it is required to know where exactly you stand and how you are doing, what is your improvement area and what is your strength. इसके लिए आपको अच्छा तरफ एक assessment platform चाहिए. श्री चैतन्य अकेडमी इन्फिनिटी लेन आपको पेश कर रहा हूँ अच्छा तरफ academic assessment platform, that is NEET test series. In this NEET test series, it is an ultimate key to NEET success, and it is separately prepared for those who are preparing for the grade 11, and you have grade 12 का अलग है and repeaters को भी अलग है. And it is, hi Betu, how are you? And it is prepared by the super eminent faculties from 𝒂𝒑𝒂𝒐𝒓𝒕𝒖𝒏𝒊𝒕 Academy and Infinity Learn. And this is prepared according to latest NTA examination pattern. And this assessment platform is going to give you a real-time simulation for this NEET examination. Whenever you prepare this, by the way you enter into the actual NEET examination, you feel it is as easy as possible. I Amitej Singh, I am engineering, and आज का class जो है ना, and that can be beneficial. And Betu, fine, me fine, thank you. Yes, of course, this is the topic we are going to discuss today about the aromatic hydrocarbons. It can be useful for any entrance examination. I will give you the super awesome tricks in that also as well. MD-CAT, yes, of course, Abdul, it is useful for you. And in the description box, NEET test series link is available in the pinned messages also. You just click it and you just go through it. And before you purchase, bachcho, you apply YouTube 30 off. If you click that now, you are going to get 30% of flat discount. So mine is over. So let us go into the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions of benzene. Now we are jumping into the class, right? Okay. Quayum, good, nice name. And let us see what makes the benzene different from the other compounds. So बच्चों, आप देख सकते हैं ये क्या? Somebody tell me. And this is cyclohexene and it is an alkene. When you add Br2 in CCl4, you are going to see, introduction slide में कुछ लिखना चाहता हूँ intentionally. You are going to see this is a addition reaction. This is a addition reaction. आपको कैसे पता चलेगा ये reaction आगे बढ़ रहा है? क्योंकि ये Br2 CCl4 जो है ना red in color, ये जो रिएक्शन में ये रेड कलर डिसअपियर हो जाएगा. सो alkenes are going to react in addition reactions and gives you the product. Now recall what is with benzene. If this is a benzene, this is the benzene, when you add Br2 in CCl4, there is no reaction beta. You can see the surprisingly benzene has 3 double bonds, but alkene का जैसे नहीं react कर रहे. It has something because of the resonance present in these double bonds. यहाँ पर जो double bond है, add करने का मौका दे सकते हैं. 𝒂𝒂𝒕, okay, right. Now these are the double bonds present in the benzene. ऐड करने का मौका नहीं दे रहे हैं. इसका क्या तकलीफ है? सो जो डबल बॉन्ड है बेंजीन में, ये रेजोनेंस में एंगेज कर रहे हैं. देखो, सो ऑलवेज इट इज इन द रेजोनेंस, ताकि ये बेंजीन का जो बॉन्ड है, इट इज ऑलवेज इन बिजी विथ रेजोनेंस. देयरफॉर benzene, though it has 3 double bonds in it, it do not participate in addition reactions like alkenes. Rather, you can say electrophilic addition reactions में react नहीं करता. Overlapping hybridization, okay, Quayum, overlapping is the one where orbital of an atom, orbital of another atom are going to join together to form a bond. That is called overlapping. Hybridization, before going for the bonding, inside the orbitals inside the atom, the orbitals are going to reorganize. That phenomena is known as hybridation. Hybridation, a phenomena takes place within the atom. Atom का अंदर क्या बात है? Overlapping दो atom का बीच में होगा. Okay, Koyam, hope you understand, clear. Please like the session, everybody, and let us be interactive in the session. I'm very happy to be interactive with you guys, and this is a live interactive session. You please ask any kind of doubt related to the chemistry, that will be immediately answered. So those who are online, please like the session and keep asking doubts. समझ में आ रहा है क्या बच्चों? So मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ? Alkenes undergo electrophilic addition reaction, but benzene do not undergo electrophilic addition reaction. Rather, it participate in substitution reaction by the electrophile. Why it is not being added बच्चों? Because the resonance का वजह से जो pi bond है ना, ये benzene ring में available नहीं दिखता. Okay, so let's see these electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. You see the organic chemistry so complicated structure आपको दिखता है. I want to make this complicated structure as a simple structure बच्चों. Benzene has 5 golden reactions. These 5 golden reactions keep in your mind, and you use that logically. अभी आपको ये लॉजिक आपको देना चाहता हूं. Follow the same, and you never come out of this. So here you can see there are 5 golden reactions of benzene. One is halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. उसमें बेंजीन का जो हाइड्रोजन है हैलोजन से सब्स्टिट्यूट किया जाएगा, हैलोजिनेशन. नाइट्रो ग्रुप से सब्स्टिट्यूट किया जाएगा, नाइट्रेशन, सल्फोनेशन, अल्काइलेशन, एसिलेशन. अभी आप चर्चा करने वाले हैं कौन रिप्लेस कर रहे हैं. सब्स्टिट्यूशन का मतलब क्या? Quorum and Betu. One atom is replaced with another atom or a group is called substitution reaction बच्चों. So take a pen and paper, everybody write the things along with me. So हम ज़्यादा मेहनत किया ये सेशन का पहले आप तैयार करने के लिए ये कंटेंट. Okay, it's a very important and nice presentation बच्चों. Please follow this. So उसमें general mechanism of EAS, electrophilic aromatic substitution. What is the meaning of this electrophilic aromatic substitution? देखो रिएक्शन स्कीम पहले ये दिखाना चाहता हूं. जो हाइड्रोजन है ना बेंजीन में, बेंजीन हैज C6H6. सो H6 में एक ही हाइड्रोजन आपका अंडरस्टैंडिंग करने के लिए मैं एग्जिबिट किया, ठीक है. एंड एक इलेक्ट्रोफाइल चाहिए, जो भी इलेक्ट्रोफाइल है. Electrophile is a species which love the electron, and this electrophile is kick the position of hydrogen, ताकि ये electrophile इसका position में बिठा दीजिए H plus निकाल के. This is what is called electrophilic substitution reaction. ये जो electrophilic substitution reaction में थोड़ा सा mechanism देना चाहता हूँ. So this is your electrophile. And this is your hydrogen, this is your hydrogen. So जो pi bond है ना, this pi bond is going to love the electrophile, ताकि it is going to form a pi bond become a new sigma bond. So when this is formed, it is going to participate in the resonating structures. What is resonance and how this resonance takes place, everything is explained in the previous class बच्चों. Okay, if you have still doubts, you can ask right now, and if you have any discussion, you can watch the previous session recording. And this is what is called a resonance hybrid. ये pi bond से ये sigma bond बना रहे हैं, complex resonating structure बना दिया, sigma complex बोलना है. So that is a reactive intermediate. So the intermediate formed during this EAS, electrophilic aromatic substitution. इज ए सिग्मा कॉम्प्लेक्स। नीट में एक ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आने का संभावना है। एंड the conjugate base is going to take out this hydrogen so that electrophile is being substituted. This is what is general mechanism. So what is the complex that is formed? That is called sigma complex. Quayum, hope you understood. Amitej and Beto, right, आगे बढ़ना चाहता हूँ। ये 5 golden reactions of benzene कैसे हैं? You see, first one you see here, halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. 5 golden reactions, no? These 5 golden reactions are being discussed here. So this is first one is halogenation of aromatic compounds. So general mechanism, बच्चों यहाँ पर benzene है ना, एक chlorine in the presence of AlCl3, you can use FeCl3, you can use FeBr3, and it is going to use BCl3. So these are the electrophile generators and Lewis acids. They are acting as a Lewis acid. So what is the meaning of a Lewis acid? The species which act as an electron, so which accept electron, is called Lewis acid. Okay, I'm going to show you, okay, I'm going to show you the mechanism. One hydrogen from here is replaced with one chlorine, that is called halogenation. But so don't worry if I write this, okay, if I write this, दोनों को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. You say it is ortho, that is completely misunderstanding of the subject. Okay, so talking about various steps in the mechanism. First, the halogen, the lone pair of electron is going to take the vacant orbital of aluminum. I said it is a Lewis acid. So that you are going to get an electrophile. This is your electrophile. And second step में electrophile pi bond को काटना है. जब pi bond electrophile को पकड़ते हैं ना, so you are going to get a sigma complex. जो sigma complex is formed, it is going to be stabilized by resonance. आपको पता है resonance stabilization कैसे होगा, आपको थोड़ा सा, you see, it is going to be like this, so that यहाँ पर positive charge निकलना, it is going to be like this, यहाँ पर positive charge आना. So it is going to be a sigma complex which is a resonance stabilizer. Yes, thank you. This PPT is so beautiful and it is going to give you a very good opportunity to learn visualized. And during the class, बीच में आप स्क्रीनशॉट भी निकाल सकता हूँ. टेलीग्राम चैनल में सारे के सारा नोट्स PDF फॉर्मेट में कन्वर्ट करके आपको भिजाने वाला हूँ. ओके, स्टेप 3, दिस हाइड्रोजन इज लॉस्ट, ताकि आपका क्लोरोबेंजीन मिल गया. सो दिस इज योर क्लोरीनेशन और electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. It is called halogenation. Bachcho, it is very important. And what is the electrophile here? And this kind of reactions will be there. I will give you how the question can come from this kind of concepts. So फिलहाल क्लोरीनेशन देखा, अभी आपको पेश कर रहा हूँ नाइट्रेशन. This is your nitration. Those who are online, please like this session and please be interactive and you can ask the doubts. So nitration में, so HNO3 H2SO4 1:1 रेशियो में आपका कहना चाहता हूँ, इट्स कॉल्ड नाइट्रेशन मिक्सचर. So one hydrogen from the benzene is replaced with NO2 group, that is called as a nitrobenzene. You know the speciality of this is nitrobenzene. What is the speciality बेतो? नाइट्रोबेंजीन का स्पेशलिटी बोलना. This is your nitrobenzene. In this nitrobenzene, बच्चों, I just want to say this nitrobenzene is the one of the ingredient in the perfume industries. बिना perfume लगा के कोई बाहर नहीं जा रहा है आजकल, है ना? So it is very important. The derivative of nitrobenzene भी हो सकता है. खाली नाइट्रोबेंजीन नहीं होगा। ओके, अगर नाइट्रोबेंजीन यहाँ पे लगा है तो आपको चोट लगेगा, इट बिकम ए वुंड, लिटिल corrosive. Okay, it's not good, and it is mixed with some alcohol and a propellant and make it as a perfume. It gives a pleasant smell. Okay, you learn chemistry like that, आपको interest बढ़ने का कोशिश करो. So if you don't think like that na, chemistry will be so boring. I'll make you to learn the chemistry in such an awesome manner like this, and please like the session, share with your friends, subscribe to Infinityland NEET YouTube channel. हम बच्चों लोगों को कुछ भला करने को कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, आपको भी अच्छा सोचो अच्छा होगा. So I'm not expecting anything. These sessions that is conducted from this YouTube channel, it is absolutely free of cost. So ये फायदा उठाने की कोशिश करो and get well boosted in this chemistry with Infinityland YouTube channel. And बच्चों, and it is very important, students who are attending now, it is the class right now, the class that is happening is about NEET preparation. So you may think that NEET preparation YouTube channel में चलेगा. अरे, you can do the NEET preparation so awesome manner and you can be topper. Not only you clear NEET, you can be a topper. The right evidence that happened in this 2025 NEET examination, 2024 NEET examination, I personally seen those who are regularly coming to the YouTube classes, they are doing the best. So बच्चों, आगे बढ़ना चाहता हूँ. Nitration of aromatic ring. So the benzene when reacted with nitration mixture going to give you nitrobenzene. And this nitrobenzene, the mechanism I want to show you. Again, step 1, step 2, step 3 बच्चों. Step 1 में क्या होना? Formation of electrophile. You know the beauty of chemistry here, HNO3. Okay, it is a strong acid, as you all know. It is donating a electron pair, so it is called a Lewis base. So a strong acid acting as a base. अलग दिख रहे हैं ना? Okay, and this is going to give you NO2 plus. So this is your nitronium ion is shown like this. NO2 plus is going to be the electrophile. And second step में nitro group electrophile is going to attack on the pi bond to form a sigma complex, which is the resonance stabilizer बच्चों. Once this is sigma complex is formed, deprotonate करके आपको nitrobenzene मिलेगा. Step 1, step 2, step 3. These are the same things that can be seen continuously. You need not have to learn new things. Only 5 golden reactions. These 5 golden reactions are seen in the same fashion, but here electrophile only generated separately, and rest of the things is going to be seen. When this hydrogen is left as a proton, this is released by conjugate base. You know what is conjugate base? Bronsted-Lowry theory. एक बार revise करो. We can use the physical chemistry concept in the organic chemistry. ये काफी important है. And you're going to get nitrobenzene. And अगले वाले sulfonation of aromatic compounds. अगर कुछ doubt है ना तो live class में आप पूछ सकते हैं. It's a live interactive session. Okay, it's a radio telecast नहीं होगा. Okay, benzene reacted with the H2SO4 and SO3. This is what is called as a fuming sulfuric acid. You can also say this is H2S2O7. Is also said to be oleum. Now you are going to get benzene sulfonic acid. So this is called as a sulfonation. And you know the sulfonation is a reversible process बच्चों. फिलहाल these 5 golden reactions उसमें 4 reactions irreversible होगा, लेकिन सिर्फ sulfonation is a reversible process. अगर एसिड हाइड्रोलाइज करने तो ये बेंजीन सल्फोनिक एसिड आप रिवर्स रिएक्शन जाके आपको फिर भी बेंजीन बनेगा. That is going to be very important concept. Let's see the mechanism here. So in this mechanism, sulfur trioxide is the electrophile and it is going to take this H plus from H to SO4. So proton transfer takes place, and this is going to be electrophile. Electrophile is electron loving species. So second step में क्या होगा? The vacant orbital of this sulfur, the pi bond of this benzene is going to be given. So it is a Lewis acid, and also it is going to be an electrophile. So that electrophile is formed with a new sigma bond. So this is going to be sigma complex. आगे resonance जाना चाहता हूँ. So this sigma complex जो है ना, एक प्रोटॉन छोड़ के बेंजीन सल्फोनिक एसिड बन गया. So जो कॉन्जुगेट बेस है, हमेशा प्रोटॉन निकालने के लिए बेंजीन सिग्मा कॉम्प्लेक्स से आपको कॉन्जुगेट बेस चाहिए. This conjugate base is going to abstract this hydrogen to form benzene sulfonic acid. This is what is called sulfonic acid product. You know, this benzene sulfonic acid is a very important. So it is used extensively in making so many drugs, painkillers and other drugs. Okay, so get use of this. And we are going to convert some important compounds from here also. So stay tuned with our sessions, bachcho. So what happened, once you did some compound right now, and that is used in making another compound, and in these sessions we are giving you questions also, and जो questions करने का वक्त में आप ये जो logic हम दे रहे हैं ना, वो logic पकड़ के questions करना है. Are you getting or not, बच्चों? Right? PPT is very beautiful. Thank you, Betu. So those who students who are online, any doubts as of now? अभी आपको पेश करने वाला हूँ Friedel-Crafts. So फिलहाल electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. So मेरे साथ बोलना, बेंजीन के कितना reactions है? 5 reactions. याद रखने के लिए simply 5 golden reactions. So पहले वाला है halogenation, chlorination and nitration, sulfonation, फिलहाल यहाँ तक किया, and Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation कुछ बाकी है. So थोड़ा सा रिवाइज करना चाहता हूँ. फिलहाल हम halogenation किया, उसमें Cl plus is the electrophile. So this is called halogenation. ये एक हाइड्रोजन बेंजीन का जो साथ है ये निकाल के क्लोरीन लगा दिया. राइट? इट इज एन इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एरोमेटिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन का मतलब क्या? वन इज रिप्लेस्ड विथ अनदर. राइट? नाउ नाइट्रेशन, नाइट्रो ग्रुप इज सब्स्टिट्यूटेड. उसमें इलेक्ट्रोफाइल क्या है? NO2 प्लस आने वाला है. ओके, उसमें SO3 इज द इलेक्ट्रोफाइल और SO3H प्लस इज द इलेक्ट्रोफाइल. ओके, नाउ सम बुक्स इट इज रिटन लाइक दिस, सम बुक्स इट इज रिटन लाइक दिस, डजंट मैटर, कोई भी हो सकता. राइट? नाउ आई वांट टू से Friedel-Crafts alkylation, जहां पर अल्काइल ग्रुप हाइड्रोजन के साथ रिप्लेस किया, सो यू नीड टू हैव R प्लस. दैट इज कॉल्ड Friedel-Crafts alkylation. और एक चीज है, it is reversible in nature. It is reversible in nature. That is important. Those who are preparing for NEET and other competitive examinations, बच्चों, you can see it is a reversible nature. Everybody knows this reaction. उसमें speciality क्या? Right? So moving ahead, Friedel-Crafts acylation, जब हाइड्रोजन एसाइल ग्रुप से सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, that is called Friedel-Crafts acylation. So बेटो you can say उसमें कार्बो acylinium ion is going to be the electrophile. ये acylinium ion है ना, resonance stabilization होगा, RC triple bond O plus होगा. And who is the major contributor? This is the major contributor. ठीक है? So we have seen the mechanism of this and this. आगे देखने वाला mechanism of these two. चलते रहे. And I want to give one more session for this kind of topics. बच्चों, expecting you to give the answers and expecting you to give the questions. So questions आपका है, answers मेरा है. आप अगर आंसर देना चाहता हूं, क्वेश्चंस भी तैयार करके मैं देना चाहता हूं. Okay, those who are online, please like the session. Okay, now let us talk about the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So Friedel-Crafts alkylation, one hydrogen from the benzene is replaced with an alkyl group. This is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In that you can use alkyl halide. Okay, these halides can be chloride, bromide or iodide. Don't use fluoride. You can use AlCl3 as a catalyst. I can use AlCl3. I can use FeCl3, I can use FeBr3, I can use BCl3, many things, but I prefer this. Now let's see the mechanism. So बेटो mechanism में कितना steps होगा, जल्दी बोलो, chart box use करो. Okay, 3 steps होगा. पहला जो step है generation of an electrophile. So you can see here, this is the alkylation and this is your acylation. Benzene treated with acyl chloride or acid chloride in the presence of any Lewis acid as the catalyst, you are going to get acyl benzene. This is called as acylation. मान के चलो यहाँ पर देखो benzene, simply write this as a CH3Cl. In the presence of AlCl3, you are going to get CH3 and it is going to give you toluene methyl benzene. Side product mat देखना, HCl आता है. And you can see this is the one, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Common names are very important. जब benzene CH3 COCl से रिएक्ट करते हैं ना AlCl3 के प्रेजेंस में, सो एसिटाइल क्लोराइड you are going to get, tell me the product name, Beto, tell me the product name, and benzene. You are going to react with benzoyl chloride. In the presence of AlCl3, you are going to see the formation of this product. I want to hear from you. इसका नाम क्या, इसका नाम क्या? बच्चों, I want to hear from you. So this is a very, very important acetophenone. This is acetophenone. And this is your benzophenone. Common names are important, bachcho. Common names are very important. Right, moving ahead here, mechanism of the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So benzene react with alkyl chloride. In the presence of AlCl3, you are going to see the alkylated benzene, tertiary butyl chloride, tertiary butyl benzene, right? Now let's see the mechanism. This mechanism includes 3 steps. First step, generation of electrophile. When this electron is given to this Lewis acid, you are going to get a complexation. This complex is going to give you a carbocation. Alkyl carbocation is the intermediate in this reaction. In this reaction, this acts as दिस कार्बोकैटन एक्ट एज एन इलेक्ट्रोफाइल। एंड और एक चीज़ है, ये जो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल है ना, कभी कभी रीअरेंज करने का कोशिश करता है। कब रीअरेंज करते हैं? A less stable carbocation is going to be more stable carbocation, and in this carbocation stability order, tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation। उसमें आपको पूरा देना चाहता हूँ, benzyl carbocation is greater stable than allyl carbocation is more stable than tertiary carbocation than secondary than tertiary. Okay, now once the electrophile is generated, this electrophile is attacking on the pi bond to give rise a sigma complex. This sigma complex is going to be deprotonated to give rise the corresponding alkyl substituted benzene. This is very important. Friedel-Crafts alkylation में कुछ problem आना चाहता हूँ. The problem number one, you see, when methylation करना चाहता हूँ, ring is getting activated, so polymethylation होगा and carbocation rearrangement भी होने का संभावना है बेटा। देखो, if you want to do carbocation rearrangement in the Friedel-Crafts alkylation takes place, so what are the actual products that takes place in the presence of AlCl3? Take a pen and paper everybody, and you find it how the reaction is going to take place। बच्चों, ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर आप देना पहले, बाद में मैं करना चाहता हूं। एंड दिस इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट क्लास एवरीबॉडी। बेटो क्वायूम, अब्दुल क्वायूम, so let me give you, once this is participated in this electrophile generation, it is going to give its corresponding carbocation. This corresponding carbocation, beware the product, actually it undergo rearrangement, so rearrangement का हिसाब से देना पड़ता। So you can just simply take this and you add this, so that you are going to get a product like this. This is incorrect. Before you are going to learn what is correct, you need to know what is incorrect as well. This is incorrect. You see the labeled carbocation. So असली product क्या होगा? देखो बेटा, this is the one which is given to here, so that you are going to get a carbocation. This is a primary carbocation. Primary carbocation. Primary carbocation is less stable. मैं अभी आपको बोल चुका हूँ। So tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation. So that यहाँ पर जो हाइड्रोजन है ना, ये यहाँ शिफ्ट करके रीअरेंज करके आपका टर्शरी कार्बोकेटन बना दिया। सो ये जो टर्शरी कार्बोकेटन है, बेंजीन का ऐड करके सब्स्टिट्यूट करना एक हाइड्रोजन, so that you are going to get a new bond here. This is the new bond, okay, and you can see these are the carbons that is for your reference, and these are the carbons for your reference. While you are learning things, you learn the things in a systematic way. And this is the carbon, बच्चों, this is the carbon, red color में आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ, and it is going to be here. Got it? Clear? Clear? So carbocation and its behavior थोड़ा सा आपको कमांड में होना चाहिए। अगर आप कार्बोकैटायन का बिहेवियर, रीअरेंजमेंट कैसे करना, क्या करना आपको पता करना चाहता हूँ, सो if you want, please mention in the description box or in the comment box, so that I can schedule a special class for that on the YouTube channel to go for the carbocation rearrangement, कहाँ कहाँ हो सकता है, कब कब हो सकता है। सो अगर आप पूछेंगे तो हमको पता चलेगा बेटा। राइट बेटू, नाउ ये डीप्रोटोनेट करके एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट ये होगा। दिस इज योर एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट। आर यू गेटिंग और नॉट? क्लियर? एनी डाउट? Perfect. That's good. That's good. Now let us see here. Please like the session and bell button पे press करो ताकि आपको पता चलेगा अगले क्लास में क्या डिस्कस किया जाएगा, आपको कब schedule होगा. So everything you are going to get an update. Okay. So moving ahead, बच्चों, let us see. This is a methyl and ethyl halides. How they are going to react? Take methyl bromide, you are going to get the same way methyl carbocation. This methyl carbocation gives rise the final product as a methyl benzene. This is otherwise called toluene. This is what is called as a toluene, right? And I want to take this multiple alkylation. The problem comes here only. You said this is a final product. ये यहाँ रुकते नहीं. ये जो बेंजीन है ना, पहले बार मिथाइल बेंजीन बन गया. ये बनाने के बाद क्या होगा? This toluene is more reactive than the benzene. So that what happened? This is going to be reacted further. आगे और एक बार react करके और एक बार methylation होगा. Because of this methyl group, ring is getting activated. ये जो product है अभी ये इससे ज़्यादा react होगा ताकि multiple methylation takes place. Multiple methylation takes place. Result: mixture of all possible products. Mixture of all possible products. And it is an awesome thing. And it's a disadvantage thing. So, Friedel-Crafts, alkylation, carbocation rearrange कर सकता हूँ, multiple alkylation भी कर सकता हूँ. ठीक है? Get ready. Here, the sources of carbocation is not important. So, in this, what is the intermediate? You are going to get a carbocation is an intermediate, right? This is the carbocation. So, this carbocation you can get it from various sources, बच्चों. So, carbocation you can get it. मान के चलो ये carbocation है. अगर ये carbocation benzene को काटेंगे तो cyclohexyl benzene is formed or phenyl cyclohexane is formed. And what are the various methods to get this? That is important. You can get this carbocation from chlorobenzene. When chlorobenzene AlCl3, you are going to get when chlorobenzene, when it is treated with AlCl3, you are going to get a carbocation, cyclohexyl carbocation. और एक चीज है, you can get it H2SO4 alcohol when it is heated with H2SO4 dehydration takes place ताकि इसका carbocation बना सकता है. You can get it from alkene when it is treated with H2SO4 protonate करने के बाद alkene is going to get this carbocation. So, source of carbocation is not that important. Now, this carbocation enter into the electrophilic substitution, you are going to get the product like this. Are you getting or not? And that is very, very important. The bird's eye view. Just like a falcon, when falcon sees from the sky, it sees all possibilities. That is the way you learn the organic chemistry. But it's very, very important to have this kind of a great logical oriented, result oriented lessons. You need to go to a coaching industry, need to expend huge amount of money, travel hours together. But the same senior expert faculty giving you the lessons in the YouTube channel. And these are absolutely free. Take advantage of this and you attend these lessons and write along with us, make a short notes, and please like this session, share with your friends, subscribe to Infinity Line NEET YouTube channel. So we didn't stop here, आगे बढ़ना बच्चों, कम से कम बात भी कर सकते हैं. एक thumbs up and fire emoji or online once, so that session का एनर्जी बढ़ जाता बच्चों. Okay, moving ahead. Now Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. That's good. Nice. Quayum. That acid chloride, this is also called as acyl chloride, is treated with the benzene to give rise acyl benzene. A new bond is formed. This is what is called as Friedel-Crafts acylation. Now, उसमें कुछ अच्छा चीज दिखाना चाहता हूँ. So, whenever this acyl chloride, the lone pair of electron present in the chlorine is going to give the electron to the aluminium vacant orbital, क्योंकि ये लुईस एसिड है, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर एक्सेप्ट करता है लुईस एसिड, ठीक है. एंड you are going to get a complex, so that you are going to see acylinium ion as an electrophile, and this acylinium ion is resonance stabilized, and ये minor contributor होगा, ये यहाँ पर major contributor होगा. सर ये major minor contributor कैसा पता चलेगा? You see here, carbon is not octet, carbon is octet. हर atom उसमें octet बन रहे हैं ना, ये major contributor होगा. And this is going to react with benzene to give rise acyl benzene. And this acyl benzene, this is resonance stabilized and it is a sigma complex. And this sigma complex proton छोड़ के आपका acyl benzene form किया, acyl benzene form किया. ये जो ग्रुप है ना, रिंग का डीएक्टिवेट करना चाहता हूं, so that this is closed. आगे acylation करना मुश्किल है, no multiple acylation. So that is the advantage of the Friedel-Crafts acylation, and there is no rearrangement, and this is important. So I just want to give you the review of this Friedel-Crafts acylation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation का. Friedel-Crafts acylation में क्या चल रहा है? So alkyl halide इस्तेमाल किया Friedel-Crafts alkylation में, Friedel-Crafts acylation में acyl halide इस्तेमाल किया, and acyl halide, and you can use any Lewis acid, चाहे aluminum chloride होगा, beryllium chloride या फिर Cl3 या फिर Br, जो भी है. Now the important thing is typical catalyst and the complications in the Friedel-Crafts acylation and alkylation. Carbocation rearrangement takes and multiple alkylation may take place in the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and Friedel-Crafts acylation, no such complications. It's very important बच्चों, very very important. ठीक है बेटा? Now here electrophilic aromatic substitution, एक bird's eye view, okay, falcon's view, right? Benzene when react with halogen, gives rise halobenzene. This is called halogenation. उसमें electrophile होता है Cl+, and benzene react with nitration mixture to give rise nitrobenzene. This is what is called as a nitration, and it is going to be NO2+. Benzene when react with SO3, Ankita, this is abhi ayatana. So session is going since last 1 hour. So these are the reactions of benzene, Ankita. Okay, you watch the recording. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay. So you are going to see the nitration here. This is called sulfonation, and you are going to see the electrophile SO3H+, and it is going to be a reversible process. ठीक है बेतु, understand? Now when benzene react with alkyl halide to give rise alkyl benzene, this is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation. You are going to get R+ as a electrophile. That's good, very nice. and you see RCOCl, you are going to get Friedel-Crafts acylation. In that you are going to see RC triple bond O plus is going to be the electrophile, a major contributor here. So these are the 5 golden reactions of benzene. Okay, now we are done from a side, and we are going to discuss some more things in the next session that we are going to see, where substituted benzene का reactions कैसे आगे बढ़ सकता. Substituted benzene, so if it is an electron withdrawing group, electron releasing group, थोड़ा सा GOC में hold रखना है. So my dear students, I am done from my side, and will meet with more stuff in the next upcoming session. Okay, thank you for watching our live session, and if you still have doubts, you can re-watch the recording that is available, and if still have a doubt, you please mention something in the comment box. I am going to review it, and I want to say, please like this session, share with your friends, subscribe to Infinity Land NEET YouTube channel. So signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry from Infinity Land NEET YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.